Hi kids, have a great day. Welcome to the class. Today we'll study mathematics. We are in our unit 3 give and take. Children, what can you see here? Yes, you can see many animals, isn't it? Here we have a story. Listen to the story. Once a baby lion lost his way in the jungle. He started crying and called out for his mother. An old deer took pity on him. He took him to his place. But the other deer got really scared. So did their other friends, rabbits, squirrels, and birds. A lion among us? Oh no, he will eat up our babies. The old deer said, Don't worry, I will warn him about this. In the morning, baby lion thanked everyone and started to leave. But a rabbit said, Wait, he cannot go like this. Let us count to see if he has done any mischief. We should be 240 in all. Let's count. Now, let's see how the rabbit will find out whether this baby lion did any mischief. The rabbit said that they are 240 in total and he started to count. Tilu counted rabbits and deer. There were 27 rabbits and 48 deers. Then the old deer counted birds and squirrels. There were 124 birds and 38 squirrels. Now, can you help Tilu to find out the total number of animals? For that, first let's find the total of rabbits and deers. Number of rabbits is equal to 27 and number of deers 48. To find the total, let's add 48 plus 27. First you will add 8 plus 7. 8 plus 7 is equal to 15. As there are two places, you will first take number in ones place, that is 5, and write under ones place. Now number in tens place you will write here. Then you have to add 1 plus 4 plus 2 is equal to 7. So you can put 7. So 48 plus 27 is 75. Next you have to find out total number of birds and squirrels. There were 124 birds and 38 squirrels. Let's find out total. To find their total, number of birds is equal to 124 and number of squirrels is equal to 38. Let's find its total. As we have found total of rabbits and deers, here you can see total of birds and squirrels. Number of birds is equal to 124. As there are three places, that is hundreds place, tens place and ones place, you can write this number 124 like this. Then number of squirrels, that is 38. As there are only two places, ones place and tens place, you will write 8 under ones place and 3 under tens place. Then 4 plus 8 gives you 12. So number in ones place you will put under ones and 1 you will add with numbers in tens place, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6. As there is no other number in hundreds place, you will just put down 1. Then you will get 162. Now let's find the total number of animals. First, number of birds and squirrels is equal to 162. Number of deers and rabbits is equal to 75. Now let's add 162 plus 75. Here 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. Next, number in tens place. 6 plus 7. 6 plus 7 gives you 13. You will just put 3 there and you will put 1 near hundreds place. Now 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So 237. So there are 237 animals in total. From this, what did you understand? Baby lion has eaten 3 animals, isn't it? Here you have something else to find out. How many bulbs? A factory made 270 bulbs on the first day. On the second day, it made 123 bulbs. How many bulbs did the factory make altogether? Here, what you have to find out? Yes, you have to find out total number of bulbs made by the factory. Bulbs made on first day 270. Bulbs made on second day 123. So 270 plus 123. 0 plus 3 is equal to 3. 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So total number 393 bulbs. Now let's see our next question. A shopkeeper, Rafi, had 153 candles. Paras gave him 237 more candles. How many candles does Rafi have now? Here, Rafi is having 153 candles and Paras gave him 237 more. So how many total candles Rafi have now? So you have to add. You have to find the sum. 237 plus 153. Now let's solve this. 237 plus 153. 7 plus 3, 10. You will put 0 in the ones place and you will add 1 with tens place. That is 1 plus 3 plus 5 is equal to 9. Then 2 plus 1, 3. 390. So Rafi is having 390 candles in total now. You have more story problems. Work out the following story problems in the same way. Read each problem and say it in your own words. Guess the answer before finding the sum. Now question number 1. A train compartment is carrying 132 people. Another compartment is carrying 129 people. In all, how many people are there in both the compartments? What is said in this question? In a train, in one compartment there are 132 people and in the another compartment 129 people are there. Now you have to find out total number of people in those compartments. So what you have to do here? Yes, you have to add. You have to find the sum. People in first compartment is equal to 132. People in second compartment 129. So now let's add 132 and 129. 2 plus 9 is equal to 11. 1 in the ones place and you will add another one with tens place. That is 1 plus 3 plus 2 gives you 6. Then 1 plus 1, 2. So total number of people is equal to 261. You have some more questions like this in your textbook. Read the questions and try to find the answers by yourself. So let's stop today's class here. Study well, be good, do good. Thank you.